don't stress, baby. I know you've been going through your mess lately. You've been working hard to get your best, baby. Honestly, I can't give you no less, baby. Don't stress, baby.
Maybe I don't notice, but I see you. Every dude around you wanna be you. Want you to know how you inspire me. Watching you hustle lights a fire in me, yeah.
Gonna try it out. Alright, let's look in the box and see what's in here. This is Blue Apron, where they deliver groceries and the recipes with the appropriate portion sizes to your address. So we've got curry and coconut crusted cod with snow peas and scallion rice, and cheesy chicken and green beans with garlic herb. So we do this very sporadically, mostly during the summer, just to get some new ideas. I think it's very fun. It's a good way for you to experiment in the kitchen with your spouse. This is the ice pack that they use to keep everything at temp. Alright, so we've got some scallions. Look like the snap green snow peas. The fresh green beans. The small golden Yukon potatoes. Some special herb sauces and rice. Some more special sauces. Oh, what's wrong, Myra? Herbs, Myra girl. And some dressing for one of the meals. A pan container. Some chicken. The fish. It's wild Atlantic cod. Alright, so yeah, I'm excited to get into it and see if we can make these meals. Oh my goodness, how exciting.
First Blue Apron meal, and you know, it's nice having the ingredients there to tell you what to do. You don't have to go to the grocery store to get anything, it's all there, and you just follow these nice instructions on the back. I'm hoping my husband will let us continue this. You know, I know it's going to be a lot more expensive after this trial, but I mean, I feel like it's worth it. So, we'll see.
Yep, I can't wait to taste it.
Me too.
Got a few more minutes. It's a great activity to do with your spouse. We got plenty of canned green beans, corn. We got broccoli we can steam. Rice looking good. Now we're about to plate it. Let's toast to this meal and we're gonna bless the food. Yes, teamwork.
Make the dream work.
All right. It looks so delicious. That's the special sauce.
Where's my phone? I'm gonna take it.
How did we do? Look at the picture and the actual plate. Well, this is great. We normally use the rice cooker.
Yeah.
Put a little bit of sauce on there.
You get mine on the actual fish?
Oh, I think it's just gonna go all good together. Yeah, I like that sauce. I wonder why it's kind of like, I don't know, like a yellowish color. It reminds me of like a mustard base. Does it look yellow to you?
Yeah.
I'm colorblind. That's some good cod. Oh, even the snap peas are good.
Yeah.
We've never had these.
We
Have you?
haven't.
No.
I mean, I've had them like in a restaurant, but not at home.
Oh, the baby. No, I don't think it's gonna last 2 nights. Now what do we do? Put it in the oven, right?
Yes. Bake uncovered 20 to 22 minutes or until the green beans are brown and tender. The temperature thing, and we can check and see.
Yeah, looks awesome. I added the potatoes because it didn't look like that much green beans.
You mean the carrots?
Oh yeah, the carrots.
Yeah.
Gonna get these here sweet tea cups fixed. Once I hit, maybe 1,000 subscribers, I might get a better camera. Now hold up, now you can't be eating the food until we sat down. Bless the food.
Dear Lord, thank you for this beautiful day that you have blessed us with. Thank you for safe travels to and from the hospital. Please bless this food that we are now about to receive and nourish us into our bodies. Please bless the hands that prepared it and every ingredient it contains. In Jesus' name we pray. We love you. Amen.
Amen. Let's eat. Chow chow. Yep.
Pumpkin.
It's going around the plate.
Yeah.
Chicken on there.
So what?
Chicken on there. Oh, I gotta blow.
That's hot.
Thank you so much for subscribing, watching this video, watching this channel, watching other videos. All you need is that Google YouTube login and hit the thumbs up button underneath the video. Until next time, peace.